everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Kavita. I'm your Spanish tutor and you are watching Language Fluent. So, today we are going to learn more about irregular verbs. Okay, so basically we are going to learn more about stem changing verbs in Spanish. As you already know, in Spanish there are two types of verbs, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are basically those verbs which like to follow each and every rule. For example, estudiar, vivir, comer. But irregular verbs means the ones like basically the rule breakers. Okay, in the previous two videos you have already seen few stem changing verbs. So today we are going to learn two more type of stem changing verb. Okay, let's start. The first one is first stem changing verb that we are going to see is I to IE. Okay, but yes, how do we say irregular verbs in Spanish? Verbos irregulares. Verbos irregulares. Okay, so yes, here is the example. Querer. Querer. Querer means to want. So in querer, if you have noticed, I have already made one box to E. So you have to change the nearest ERE into IE. Okay, so I have already written the conjugation. Let's have a look. The first one is yo quiero. Yo quiero. So as you notice, instead of E, I have written IE in the blue color. Okay, so you have to keep this thing in your mind, although the conjugation remain the same, which we usually put in the regular verbs as well. But this time we have to change stem as well. Okay, first we have to eliminate the ER and we have to write this conjugation, but at the same time we have to make changes into the stem. That's why we call them stem changing verbs. So the first one is yo quiero. Yo quiero. Yo means I. Okay. Next is tú quieres. Tú quieres. Tú means you. The next one is él quiere. Él quiere. Él means he. Ella quiere. Ella quiere. Ella means she. And the next one is ustedes quiere. Usted quiere. Usted means you in a formal way. Yes. Let's continue. Nosotros, nosotras queremos. Nosotros, nosotras queremos. Nosotros, nosotras means we. This one is for masculine and this one is for feminine. Okay. The next one is vosotros, vosotras queréis. Vosotros, vosotras queréis. You too. Okay. Again, the next one is ellos quieren. Ellas quieren. Ustedes quieren. Okay. They, ellos means they, ellas means they for feminine, and ustedes means you, plural. Okay, so yes, this is the conjugation. Yes, so let's practice the conjugation of querer one more time. Okay, quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, queréis, quieren. So as you have noticed here, in nosotros and vosotros, I haven't changed the stem from E to IE. So you have to keep this thing in your mind that we never change the stem in nosotros and vosotros form. Okay, so basically we have to change in yo, tú, él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay. Yes, so now we will do one more example of E to IE stem changing verb. Okay, so the verb is preferir. The verb is preferir. Preferir means to prefer. Okay, so you have to keep this thing in your mind that we have to change the E which is nearest to the ending. Okay, not this one. We have to change the E which is nearest to the ending. Okay, so let's have a look. The first one is yo prefiero. Yo prefiero. Tú prefieres. Tú prefieres. Él prefiere. Ella prefiere. Usted prefiere. Okay? Nosotros, nosotras preferemos. Okay, so as I told you earlier, in nosotros and vosotros we use the original stem. Okay, we don't make any changes. Vosotros, vosotras preferes. Preferes. Okay, and the last one is ellos, ellas, ustedes prefieren. Prefieren. Okay, so now are you ready to learn one more type of stem changing verb? So basically this time we are going to do the stem changing verb which is U to UE. Okay, but in Spanish language there are not too many type of U to UA stem changing verb, and yes, one of its example is jugar. Jugar. Jugar means to play. Okay, so yes, let's see the conjugation of U to UE stem changing verb. So yes, you have to remember this thing that we have to change the nearest U into UE. Okay, have a look. Juego, yo juego, tú juegas, él juega, ella juega, usted juega. Okay, again, nosotros, nosotras jugamos. Okay, vosotros, vosotras jugáis. Again, we have to keep this thing in your mind that we never change the stem of nosotros and vosotros form. Okay, we always use the original one. Okay, ellos, ellas, ustedes juegan. Okay, juego, juegas, juega, jugamos, jugáis, juegan. Okay, so we are done with our today's session. In today's class we have learned two type of stem changing verb. The first one is E to IE and the second one is U to UE. So yes, for more such content, please click on the bell icon on your YouTube app to never miss out on any update. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you want to know more about our institute, the number has been given on your screen. So please contact us and see you in the next class. Adios.